Hey babe, what's up?
Hi.
Are you ready for the bivy?
I'm not doing that.
You're not doing what?
Every time you record me, I'm laying in the bed with the
I
computer.
know!
It's
All you do is lay in
awkward.
the bed with the computer.
Oh my god.
This is why I have to camp.
Please stop.
Because you give me no attention. You're stuck in your
Oh.
phone and your computer.
Right.
Babe,
That's what it is.
do you want to try that thingy?
What thingy?
Did I told you we need a review?
No. The carsophagus? No.
The what?
Shut up.
The black diamond what?
I'm not getting
What's it called?
I'm not getting it.
What did you call
You're
it?
giving me anxiety.
Just give me, what did you call it?
Okay.
Let's go get one, baby.
Shut the
We could make babies in the bibby.
No, we can't. I don't have a uterus.
See, please click the links below. I need all the support I can get. And that's the only way I can continue making these silly videos, is if you click the links. It doesn't cost you anything else, but it really helps my self-esteem and pay for this adventure because I'm making what?
Dumb videos. Oh my gosh. Please don't zip my hair.
I won't zip your hair. How's that feel?
Weird. I feel sort of a little claustrophobic.
Oh my god.
Good night.
I don't think I could ever sleep like this. I mean, maybe if I rolled over on my side, it would be okay.
Try that.
Yeah, then it's not like on my nose and my mouth.
That's better.
Yeah, that would probably work.
Sweet. Thank you for being a trooper.
You're welcome. I don't think I really had a choice.
Nope, neither did your mom.
I think it would be good because you're not going to have mosquitoes on your face. But definitely sleep on your side.
What'd you
Otherwise,
do
it's like on your nose and your mouth. You feel like you're inhaling the thing. But I think it's a good idea.
What did you do if Sasquatch ran up on you in the wild?
I'd play dead. That's about all you can do.
Just so you know, I would never sleep in this thing.
Just think of it like 1980 leggings,
It
honey.
feels very long.
Why, thank you.
So here's my real take on this. This would be fine for somebody that literally slept on their back.
Abby said it's better on this side. So move your hair in.
Oh,
Just a second.
don't zip it.
Just
Cody,
the
don't
neck.
zip it.
Just
I'm
the
getting
neck.
anxiety. Please stop. Oh my god. Get me out. Get me out.
Wait a minute. No,
Get me
where's my
out.
black diamond? I'll get you out.
Get me out.
I will.
Get me out right now.
Okay.
Oh
I told you. You're in good hands, babe, just like Allstate. You are trooper. Give me 5. I 10.
my god. Get me out of this.
So this is not your choice of
No.
winter camping?
First off, not winter camping ever. And never getting in that again. There you go. Oh.
Bibby, yes. Bibby, no.
Well, not for me. I'm certain that there are other people in the world that think this is super fabulous for what they adventure to do. I am not an adventurer, so this is not for me.
Even in the zombie apocalypse?
No, I'd rather die.
Is it roomy?
No.
Does it feel like it would be warm?
Probably because your heat could not go anywhere. You wouldn't freeze to death, although I'd rather freeze to death than get in that ever again. Bye.
Thanks, babe. Love ya.
Gotcha.
What a trooper. I cannot believe she did that.
Okay, there we go. Now get off.
All
the
for you and my stupid video. Please click the link. Buy one. Make your wife get in one. See how fun it is. I am screwed tonight. Babe,
What?
I forgot to hit the record button. We gotta do it again.